you look right here, you may be wondering, well, where's the cord to blow this thing up? And it's actually in this nice convenient compartment right here. You can store the cable. Hey folks, so my current air mattress has a hole, and so recently I've been looking for a replacement air mattress, and IDOO is one of the brands that I came across. I was a little skeptical after reading the instructions and getting this thing out of the box. This is the queen size version or whatnot. But what had me nervous is in the instructions or in the must-read portions, it goes over essentially saying that just about all mattresses deflate. And I was like, are you trying to tell me something? But anyway, I actually used this for one night. And so I'm just in this video providing my impressions as to how it held up over that night, right? So this isn't gonna cover how it holds up over 8 months or anything, just the initial impressions and some things that I thought were pretty cool. So in terms of getting it to inflate, I mean, just like most air mattresses, it's pretty loud, but it didn't take that long. It was only about 3 minutes and it was pretty much fully inflated. And I gotta say, it is pretty firm. It's pretty firm. At no point during the night did I feel like any portion of it felt deflated or anything. And again, it is still new, so typically that doesn't happen the first night when you're using a product for it to start going bad or anything. So it's to be expected to some degree. But something that I thought was really cool is if you look right here, you may be wondering, well, where's the cord to blow this thing up? And it's actually in this nice convenient compartment right here. You can store the cable. So I gotta say that's one of the top features that I thought was pretty dope about this air mattress. So when you tuck everything away, you don't have to worry about a loose cable hanging anywhere. And this is the knob or whatnot that you would use to inflate or deflate it. So just to give you an idea of what it sounds like when you're inflating it, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and let you hear what that sounds like. So yeah, that's what that sounds like. But overall, first impressions is it seems pretty cool. I might order another air mattress and do a comparison, but we'll see. So I'm actually done using it for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and deflate this and put it back in its portable carrying bin. All right, folks, so that essentially rounds out my review and initial impressions of the IDOO Air Mattress. Hope you found this video helpful. If you're curious at all about checking out this product, I will have links in the description. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.